Tired of fighting over the TV remote? Let's get YouTube TV streaming on all your screens. First, the easiest way is using a streaming device. Plug your Roku, Chromecast with Google TV, Apple TV, or Amazon Fire Stick into any TV with an HDMI port. Make sure it's securely connected, then turn on the TV and select the corresponding HDMI input. Navigate to the App Store. It's usually called something like Channel Store or Apps, and search for YouTube TV. Select YouTube TV, then choose to download or install the app. Once installed, open YouTube TV. Sign in with your Google account credentials, the same one you use for your YouTube TV subscription. Don't have a streaming device? If you have a smart TV, it likely already has a YouTube TV app available. Just like with a streaming device, navigate to your smart TV's app store, search for YouTube TV, and download it. Finally, you can also cast from your phone or tablet. Open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. Select the show or live channel you want to watch. Then, tap the cast icon. It looks like a rectangle with a Wi-Fi symbol. Choose the TV you want to cast to from the list of available devices. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy YouTube TV on multiple TVs throughout your home. Happy streaming!